All right, howdy friends, Guthrie Trapp here, and welcome to another episode of GT Unlocked. Oh my God, I can't believe they finally unlocked me. Okay, so in this episode, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite things is the country shuffle. I'm just going to show you some of the chords and rhythm pattern and stuff that I like to play. And then we'll get into some soloing and some fills and things like that make this style so cool. One of the coolest things to me about the country shuffle is with that swing feel, that shuffle swing feel, you can kind of play a lot of different styles in this. You can get jazzy with it a little bit. You can play on the back pickup and do some country steel bends. You can play kind of Western swing stuff, cool things. They really fit into this style. So one of my favorite things, and again, I'm going to get into some rhythm stuff here right now, and then we'll get into some soloing and some fills and stuff like that. So let's get in the key of C. If I'm playing a song like Crazy Arms or something, my electric guitar rhythm part is going to be pretty much based out of this pentatonic box, the pentatonic box pattern right out of the A shape. So I'm going to play a line that sounds like it's basically the old boogie woogie line, but we're going to kind of change it up a little bit to fit this style more appropriately. So if I play this, that classic, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1. Of course, that's F. Then we go to G. Back to C, right? So you got to know that. And then we're gonna alter that just a little bit, mainly with our right hand, and we're gonna do this. So I'm basing that off the same thing we just did, but I'm putting that little higher octave, little hiccup in there. So when I hit the first string, the A string, I'm hitting that C note every time I do this. So I'm really just going. When you add this, that is what makes it shuffle. So that's the key to get that little hiccup. I'll do it real slow because this is a little tricky. Now the key to this really is to be in the right hand position. So if I'm in this hand position, I'm already set up. Then when I go up to this G shape and I'm I'm just dealing with the G, D, and E string. A, D, and G string here, the triad, the triad box, I kind of call it. It's just this kind of like, you're just focusing on the A, D, and G strings here. So when I go to that G shape, it's the same strings. Now I'll go to F and do the same thing. Same thing. I can't even talk and play at the same time. No wonder I don't sing and write songs. G. Walk up. Right? Walk up the scale. Boom, boom, boom. Walk up chromatically from F to G. Turn around, walk it back up the scale, back up to C, right? That's the C major scale. Then, when I do the turnaround, right here, right? So C, then up to A, then back. Just a couple little things you can sneak in there. Now, if I was going to play a little melody to this, say I played Crazy Arms, and if I start on, I'm in the front pickup, so I'm getting like a little bit jazzier sound. If I start on that kind of stuff. Over the 5, that would be Crazy Arms. So check out Crazy Arms by Ray Price. A million country artists have covered that, but that's a classic country shuffle. Merle Haggard has a bunch. Buck Owens has a bunch. There's George Jones has them. Just check out as many country shuffles as you possibly can, but make sure they're good artists like the ones I just mentioned. And so, little things like that. I mean, these little double stops. That'd be like a kickoff, right? So 2, 3, 4, 1. They call that a 15-11, and that gets you into the song. So that would be like C 2 3 4, G 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 1. So that is how you would kick the song off. And so this, that'd be like the fiddles. Ba da da ba bum 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 bum. Right? So as soon as I do that, that insinuates G7. And then right back. I'm using some double stops, which might be a little advanced, but I think you got it. That's right down the major scale. You can see that's all out of the major scale. That's also the major scale. So all these little things, those little licks, these kind of things. Now that's a lot of stuff for me to teach in a 12-minute lesson here. But these are the kinds of things that we can work with ArtistWorks, with the video exchanges back and forth. But those are some of the ideas. And then on the back pickup, you're getting these really kind of steel things at that point. And that's all okay too. That's the beauty of the country shuffle, is you can go into all these different, ideas. The phrasing is everything. But mainly just realize that the country shuffle is all about the rhythm, again, about the rhythm, and it's about the phrasing and being able to go into some kind of, a little bit jazzier phrasing on the front pickup, if you want to swing. Western swingy kind of things like that. I can show you all that stuff. But if you want to dig a little bit deeper into this, definitely check out ArtistWorks. We've got full backing tracks. We've got complete tabs for all the improvs, personalized video exchanges, which is the whole ArtistWorks model, is the video exchanges back and forth. And of course, please check out, if you really want to do the deep dive, check out my school, The Guitar Styles of Guthrie Trapp. That's me. And we'll get into all this stuff. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We'll see you down the road real soon. And take care. All right, cheers.